You are going to love the 2015 200. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.